Hello, my name is Vicky here at Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be showing you around the brand new Audi RS3 Carbon Black Sportback Edition, finished in the gorgeous Ascari Blue. This vehicle features the 2.5 TFSI petrol engine, pushing 395 brake horsepower. Paired with the Tronic Gearbox and Quattro all-wheel drive, this car is perfect for all driving habits and styles. This beautiful Sportback is sitting on 19-inch silk matte grey alloy wheels. Complemented by the red brake calipers, it gives the car the ultimate sporty look. This vehicle is featured with the darkened matrix LED headlights, giving it a striking look and increases your visibility on the road. Onto the rear of the vehicle, it features a 282-litre boot, which can be increased to 1,104 litres with the rear seats down. Although this is a sporty looking car with the performance, it also has the practicality. In the rear you have full black leather interior with ISOFIX fittings, which makes this the perfect family car. This vehicle really does combine luxurious and sportiness. Into the driver's seat of the vehicle, you are featured with a flat top and bottom multifunction steering wheel and gorgeous adjustable seats with the panoramic sunroof. This beautiful steering wheel has buttons which let you control the entertainment system as well as the virtual cockpit. This virtual cockpit allows you to access driving data, navigation, as well as your telephone and audio conveniently. Going on to the centre of the dashboard, we have the beautiful 10.1 MMI display, which features your DAB radio, USB-C import, which makes connecting your phone easy and convenient. You also have the navigation system, which is very easy to use, as you can see. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is also featured in this vehicle. And here we have the Audi Drive Select, which changes the performance and handling of the vehicle for a more enhanced driving experience. This vehicle also features a reverse camera, parking sensors and parking assist, making manoeuvring your vehicle as easy as ever before. Below the touchscreen, you've got your free-zone deluxe automatic air conditioning and heated front seats, providing the perfect temperature all year round. In the centre, you have your start and stop button and your automatic gear selector, which blends perfectly with the touchscreen. Thank you for watching this walk around video of this brand new Audi RS3 Carbon Black Sportback, finished in Ascari Blue. For more information, please contact a member of our sales team who will be more than happy to help.